Hi guys, today I want to talk about starting a YouTube channel and pretty much how to do it. So like all of my other videos, I'm just gonna compile things other people have said and tell you about them. I have googled pet rescue a lot, but that's not for this video. How to start, hang on, let me show you. What we're going to look at is how to start a YouTube channel. You know, like the things you need. I think before it was YouTube, it was probably like a blog. How do you start a blog? How to create a YouTube channel that gets views in 2018. And literally, like everybody else who uses the internet, I'm just scrolling for the bolded dot points. Focus on creating valuable content that educates and entertains. You can add a link to your podcasts, of course, but that... Oh. Okay, I think I'm reading one for people who have podcasts. Okay, I found a different article because that one was very strange and I think very specific. This is funny. As a YouTuber, you're both a creator and a business owner. So the need for a crystal clear objective is crucial. Why are you starting your channel? What do you hope to achieve? Is this the end all or a step in the right direction towards something larger? So first of all, never start YouTube for fun. It needs to be a business plan idea. This is like the first thing that I think is so weird, because if somebody said to me, how do I start an Instagram page? I would not tell them that you're both a creator and a business owner. Like, it's just a public platform, but for some reason YouTube has become quite YouTube is perceived as something quite elitist almost, like why on earth would you make YouTube videos unless you're gonna go viral and, you know, have it as a full-time job? Like, there's no in between, which I find so weird. Or if you are in between, you want to be Zoe Sugg pretty much. And it's like, you could never be happy with just making videos because it's fun. That would be like saying you would never be happy just posting pictures on Instagram, but you're purely doing it because you want to be a paid Instagram human. I don't know much about that. Which isn't a bad thing. Like, that's not a bad thing, but it's putting everybody in the same boat. So first of all, don't do this. Don't do what this guy's saying. Sorry, not to assume it's a male. Don't do what this person is doing. Identify your channel's direction. Okay, yeah, this is all going to come back to one point, and it's probably going to stay with my Instagram analogy unless something revelatory, I don't think that's a word, but let's pretend like it is, pops into my head. But to identify your channel's direction, it's like it's as though you have to be a certain type of person. So like if a friend said to me, oh, what should I make my YouTube channel about? And I said, oh, well, like, what are 3 things that you do or whatever? It's like, oh, well, I like to draw and I'm a vegan. So that is not how I would define someone who simply likes those 2 things. But it would be wrong to then say, okay, have like an Instagram all about like drawing with vegan pencils or something. I don't know. But that would be assuming that you need to have something different about you in order to create a YouTube channel. Therefore, if you don't create a YouTube channel, you don't have anything special or you don't have anything different, which I think is so mixed up, because even the greatest YouTubers don't have anything different about them. Like, that's the biggest thing for me, is when you're starting it now, they're saying you're competing with so many people out there, like, if you want exposure, you've got to do this. But in the same way that I follow certain people on Instagram who've got, like, you know, hundreds of thousands of followers, but I don't follow everyone on Instagram who has hundreds of thousands of followers, because some people I'm not interested in, or I don't know, I just don't. So when you transfer that formula to YouTube, it makes sense, but for some reason we keep it as like this, there could never be 2 people doing the same thing on YouTube, which I just think is weird. Okay, this one's funny. Learn. So when you're starting your YouTube channel, you need to learn What makes videos go viral? Again, recap everything that I just said. It doesn't make sense. This person does have a good tip. Number 3, it got good. Don't sweat the gear. That I totally agree with. It says everyone loves to talk about video gear, but the reality is this should be the last thing on your mind. Unless you want to like review video gear, then like probs, you should get some. But for like general like filming this video, you don't need, I don't know, like a DSLR or something like that. Even if you have, I don't know what this is, an iPhone 8, I think. This camera on the back is actually higher quality than the camera that I'm filming on. It's actually quite easy to create video content, and that's what I really love about iPhones having such good quality. The price of sort of like good compact cameras are coming down and they're becoming more accessible, because it means that we just need to start telling people now, if you want to do something, if you want to make a video, go do it. Get out there and mess up. Like anything, it takes hard work to create a successful YouTube channel. That sentence is incorrect. I mean, it's not, the theory isn't incorrect, but to think that you should start to be successful. Oh, okay, I gotta stop repeating myself. It says, but it also takes the willingness to mess up. I don't think you can mess up. It's not like, I don't know, I just don't think anything you can post on YouTube, yeah, unless it's like extremely offensive or particularly unkind towards a specific person or a specific group of people, or I don't know, something like that. Like maybe that could be a bit, knowing that this is a growing phase and that you'll make mistakes along the way. If you can remember that and persevere through the learning phase, you'll see steady progress start to unfold and build an audience attracted to your unique content. I don't think there is any such thing as unique content. Like, I think there are unique people. Like, for example, when you think of things like Lush reviews, or I watch so many Lush reviews, I could have the same product. Like, I could review the iPhone 8, and so could 7 other people, but you're gonna really only watch one, and you're gonna choose one based on the personality of the person that you probably connect with more, because it's our unique personalities. I think there is an element of uniqueness about it, but it's our unique personalities that then allow us to create unique content. So it's not so much about planning your videos and going, okay, this is what I'm gonna do. It's just like going, what do I feel like doing? What do I want to do? And I treat YouTube like I treat Instagram. I just make them because I want to. I don't know, that's all of my thoughts in one. So essentially what I wanted to say is, don't go reading. First of all, start a YouTube channel because it is really fun. Second of all, don't treat people who do start one like they're attention seekers or like they need more validation in their life, so of course they've started a YouTube channel. And just make videos. It's fun. It's way more engaging and they are way better memories. When I went to Japan, I took so many more videos than I did photos, I would confidently say, because I could not touch this camera the whole time because I forgot to get an adapter. But I took so many videos and I have a video every day that I uploaded from Japan, and it was just so fun. And now I look back on them and I go, oh my gosh, that's right, that's what we do. But I also know there are things that I never filmed, but I still remember, and sometimes your memories are prompted from that. So I just wanted to make this hopefully quick video to encourage you guys to, maybe it's not to start a YouTube channel, maybe it's just to, I don't know, do something creative, do something fun, and do something just because you want to do it, not because you think other people will want you to do it or because you think it will go well. I don't know, just do it because you want to do it, and then it's fun and there is no pressure. I hope you take away from this video to stop reading articles or watching YouTube videos about how to start a YouTube channel, although ironically this video will be about will be titled how to start a YouTube channel. But other than this one, now you've watched this video, don't watch any more. Just start it and have fun. Bye!